Hi everybody, Cheryl Knowlton, CEO of Dynamite Productions, coming at you with your Dynamite tip of the day. Today's actually comes from one of my favorite mentors, Chris Voss. You may have heard me talk about Chris Voss before. He is the former head of a little organization you might have heard of called the Federal Bureau of Investigation. He was the chief hostage negotiator, and everything you can get your hands on from Chris Voss, look him up on YouTube. You will find all sorts of brilliance on negotiation, and he will absolutely rock your world. Something that I learned from him a couple of weeks ago, preparing to teach a class on negotiation that rocked my world, is as follows. Your brain actually works 31% better if you are in a good mood. And he said this in a video. It was actually one of his shorter videos, and I thought, whoa, that is absolutely amazing, because I always want my brain to work better. And there are some days where it needs caffeine to work better, and some days where it's just on low power mode and it's not working very well at all. But there are some things that you can do to help elevate your state, even if things around you are not going well. And scientifically, this has all been proven. Don't take Cheryl's word for anything. Let's say you are just having an absolutely rotten day, an absolutely terrible day, and you just cannot force yourself to smile, even listening to your favorite song, and you're just not having it. If you will take a pencil and stick it between your teeth, it is scientifically proven that the forced motion of having your face with your lips upturned will elevate your mood. And if your brain's gonna work 31% better, if you're in a good mood, I'm all for it. So friends, that is your Dynamite tip of the day.